Vanakkam, hi, hello, how are you all? This is Sudha from JST Creation Crochet. Today, let's see how to make this beautiful flower. For this project, I have used 3 color cotton yarn, a pair of scissors, cotton and 3.5 mm crochet needle. On the magic ring, chain and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochet. Pull the yarn and make a slip knot on the first single crochet. Round 1 completed. To begin the second round, make a chain and make 2 single crochet on the same stitch. And on the next stitch, make 2 single crochet. Total 12 single crochet in this round. Make a slip knot on the first single crochet and finish it off. Row number 2 completed. Now row number 3, make a chain and make 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and on the next stitch make single crochet increase by 1. Now 1 single crochet on the third stitch, and on the fourth stitch make 2 single crochet. Continue this sequence, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet increase on the next stitch. Slip stitch on the first single crochet and finish it off. Row number 3 completed. Now row number 4, make a chain. See, I am going to do the back loop. Insert the yarn on the back part of your yarn and make a single crochet. And on the next stitch, back loop, only 1 yarn on my hook. See? And on the third stitch, I'm going to do the increase, back loop, single crochet, increase. So continue this sequence, 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet on the next stitch, and on the third stitch make an increase, back loop, single crochet. Complete the row number 4, make a slip knot on the first single crochet and finish it off. Can you see the loop on the front side? Now move to the row number 5, chain 1, same as earlier, make back loop, single crochet, 1, 2, 3 single crochet on next 3 stitches. Now on the fourth stitch make an increase, 1 double crochet, single crochet, another single crochet. Now 1 single crochet on this stitch, another single crochet on the next stitch, and 1 more single crochet on the next stitch. On the fourth stitch make an increase, back loop, single crochet, increase. Make a slip knot on the first single crochet and finish it off. Now move to the row number 6, make a chain and make 1 back loop, single crochet on each stitch. Make a slip knot on the first single crochet and finish it off. Cut the yarn and secure this yarn. On the third row front loop, I insert my hook and attach the yarn by making a slip knot. Make 1, 2, 3 chains. Now move on to the next stitch. Wrap the yarn and insert to the front loop. Make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 loops. Wrap the yarn and pull through all the loops. Make a chain. Now make 1, 2, 3 chains. Make a slip knot on the next stitch, that front loop stitch. Now move on to the next stitch and make a slip knot there. 1, 2, 3 chains. On the next stitch, make 6 loops. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Wrap the yarn and pull through all the loops and make a chain. Continue this sequence. 3 chains, slip knot on the next stitch, another slip knot on the next stitch, make 3 chain, and make 6 loop on the next stitch. Wrap the yarn and pull through all 6 loops, make a chain. Now make 1, 2, 3 chains and slip knot on the next stitch. Make a slip knot on the next stitch and continue this sequence. The last part of row number 1 of this pink yarn, chain 3 and make a slip knot on the last stitch. Now move on to the next row. There you can see the front loop here. Select any one of that stitch. Make 1 single crochet there and make 1, 2, 3 chains. Move on to the next stitch and make 6 loops. Continue the same sequence on this row as well. Now move on to the last stitch. Make a slip knot on the last stitch and finish it off. Now move on to the next row and select any one of these front loop. Insert the hook into that stitch and make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3. Same as previous, continue the same sequence and finish it off. The last part of the stitch, make a slip knot on the last stitch. Cut the yarn and secure it. Done. Second set of work is done. Now we are going to move on to the third set. Just insert your hook on the first chain and make a slip knot there. Now 1, 2, 3 chains and make a slip knot on the same stitch. You can find out this stitch there and make a slip knot on that. Again make 3 chains and slip knot on the same stitch. Continue this. Slip knot, chain 3 and slip knot on the same stitch. Make a slip knot on the first stitch and finish it off. Secure it. Done. Now insert cotton on this space and decorate it. Thank you for watching my video. Nandri, vanakkam.